Nothing lights your way better than a motion sensor light. Plus, these lights are huge deterrents for home dangers. Coming home to a dark driveway or path to the front door can be sad and somewhat dangerous, with it easy to miss a step and take a tumble. Plus, not only will prowlers or burglars be put off by motion sensor lights, but local wildlife will be less likely to stick around if their movements are met with a bright flash of light. If the area around your domicile can get easily dark, you will want an outdoor motion sensor light. There are tons of them on the market, so which one should you choose? Don't worry, like the gentle glow of your new light, we're here to guide you on the best outdoor motion sensor lights. Number 1. Illuminate LED Motion Sensor Floodlight. Offering a lot of features and easy installation at a low price, the Illuminate LED Motion Sensor Floodlight is appropriate for a lot of situations, even if its styling leaves something to be desired. One of the nicest features is the ability to adjust the motion sensor's range out to about 70 feet. However, if your area of worry is closer, you can slide a dial to shorten that range. That way, your neighbor's dog cavorting in the backyard won't set it off. There are additional modes, including just turning the light on all the time, and having it automatically come on at night and turn off during the day. Being an LED light, the low wattage bulbs produce just as much light without using as much energy as traditional bulbs. If you're purchasing your motion sensor light with the intention of lowering your power consumption, the Illuminate LED is a good choice. Even if you live in an area with a lot of rain or other inclement weather, the light's IP65 waterproofing and solid aluminum construction can hold up to a lot of punishment from the elements. The fixture has a lifespan of 50,000 hours, meaning you'll be using it for years to come. Number 2. Philips Hue Outdoor Motion Sensor. If you're into connecting your home's electronic devices to a smart hub like Amazon's Alexa, Google's Google Assistant, or Apple's HomeKit, Philips, a longtime trusted name in home electronics and smart light bulbs, has an excellent line of bulbs, fixtures and, most importantly, a motion sensor. This Philips Hue motion sensor doesn't include any built-in lighting. But you can purchase compatible lighting devices or special Philips Hue bulbs to connect your existing fixtures to your motion sensor and your smart home network. However, this all requires the additional purchase of a Hue bridge. Once you connect and set up your network of smart bulbs and motion detectors, you're going to have more options than you ever expected. You can change the color of your bulbs, creating ambient light or different lighting for different functions. That includes softer light when you arrive home at night and stronger light when you're asleep to deter animals and criminals. You can use a phone app to adjust your settings, or turn your lights on or off at any time. Number 3. Power LED Security Light. If you're looking for brightness, our best LED outdoor motion sensor light is the Power LED Security Light. This large, 3-part motion sensor light has a range of up to 72 feet, though it works better within 24 at a height of 7.5 to 10 feet. Like our best overall model, it's IP65 waterproof and aluminum, but the lights are built in with a different style of bulb that is not replaceable. It uses almost twice the power of our best overall, but you get that power in the light. This thing is bright, maybe too bright if you're close to your neighbors. That strength makes this perfect for larger lot homes and garages. You're not going to get an overnight feature, meaning you can't use it dusk to dawn, but you can set the duration of the motion sensor light from 10 seconds all the way to 10 minutes, or simply turn it on. Each of the 3 lights is independently adjustable, as is the motion sensor unit. You can either bend all 3 of the light areas to focus on one spot, or widen them out to cover the most area possible. This unit is relatively easy to install, no more so than expected with an outdoor light fixture. Number 4. Beams Wireless Battery Operated. If you don't need a lot of light and don't want to worry about wires, Beams offers a battery-powered motion sensing spotlight that does a good job for a small price. At only $20, the Beams Wireless Battery-Operated Powered Motion Sensing Spotlight can be installed anywhere, no need to worry about patching into your house's electrical system. Instead, the Beams Spotlight runs on 3D cell batteries, not included. You'll get about a year of use out of each set. The light's motion sensor is a bit limited, which is typical of battery-powered motion sensor lights, offering only 120 degrees. The range is surprisingly strong, besting our best value model by 4 feet. The spotlight is quite small, meaning it's excellent for side doors, pet areas, or as a supplemental light when the main light is turned off. Number 5. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. If you want to step your security up, you'll want to pair a camera with your lights, so when they're triggered, you can know what happened to cause it. If you use Alexa in your smart home, The best option is Amazon-owned company Ring's Floodlight Cam Wired Pro, a good light paired with an incredible security camera. As a light, the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro isn't quite as powerful as a dedicated outdoor motion sensor light. The lights only have a range of about 30 feet, though the camera can see and follow motion beyond that in daylight. However, the motion sensor itself has a great radius, more than 180 degrees, which is better than many other models. The camera is excellent. It outputs 1080p HD video, which is really clear. The camera can identify if motion is human, animal, or mechanical and be set to only record in the event of the kind of motion you're interested in. Integrating with Alexa, you can have the camera trigger other smart devices, like locks or alarms. Night videos are clearer in black and white than in color. All the footage is available on the Ring app.